The 2016 Rio Olympics is a year away and Indian athletes are leaving no stone unturned to claim glory at the biggest event on the planet. A few have already booked their tickets, but the road hasn't been an easy one for them. India Today spoke to some of them, trying to understand and bring the truth in front of you all. Presenting our special Rio Reality Check. And today we bring you the story of the archers and the struggles with sponsorship.
The Archery Federation and its defined president Vijay Kumar Malhotra have been fighting the ministry's diktats of age and tenure since being derecognized in 2012. Their strength could largely be attributed to a generous sum being provided by the Tata Group to strengthen their coffers. But in a sudden turn of events, Tata pulled out of their 3-year deal with the AAI, not getting the mileage they had hoped for.
And now when Tatas have pulled out for reasons best known to them, we are continuing with the same tournament and we are also on the lookout for new sponsors.
Tata was the sole sponsor for the 50 lakh prize money national ranking tournament and also provided branded kits for the national team. The NRT is important because it was to serve as a trials tournament for the World Championship to be held in Denmark in June. These championships are the first opportunity for archers to qualify for the Rio Olympics. Even though sources have indicated to India Today that the quality of kits have already degraded and the players are worried about the future of NRT, the federation is in a defiant mode.
As far as the kit goes, the association has got together the kit for the archers and we are supplying that kit for them. And as far as the championship ranking goes, like I have mentioned earlier, we are going ahead with it as before.
The AAI, in fact, had earlier refused help even from the sports ministry as that could interfere with their hold over the federation.
In fact, we had earlier also, about a year back, offered to fund prize money tournaments for the archers because archery is one sport where we are doing very well. At that time, the federation was reluctant to take us help because they said they are already getting enough funding from the Tata Group.
It is this apathy towards the future of the athletes that has made it difficult for India to deliver medals at the Olympic Games.
It's always been the same story where the players always have to suffer when the sponsors pull out. The federations nearly now need to pull their socks up and understand the financial stability they had to bring in the federation. The federation need to be financially more strong.
The Tata Academy in Jamshedpur produced a talent like Deepika Kumari. And the compound team created history at the Incheon Asian Games, winning the first ever gold in archery for the country. There is a lot that is expected from the archers. Let us just hope that this struggle for power does not affect India's medal chances at the Rio Olympics. In New Delhi, Radhika Tongar for India Today.